Jurassic. Daddy, that's the T-Rex and another T-Rex. That's little baby Bobby. That's his mom. That's the kids. That's his ate. That's Foresta. That's Daddy. That's Mommy.
Nanood ka ba Jurassic kanina?
Papa.
Anong ginawa ng T-Rex?
He got Tito. That was Tito. Daddy, wow.
Oh, wow. Kinain niya yung isa pang T-Rex?
Papa, this one. Daddy, he got the daddy. So Daddy,
Wow.
what could the T-Rex doing? Daddy, look.
Wow.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Nag-swimming ba yung T-Rex kanina?
Yeah.
Tapos, ano ginawa ng T-Rex after ng swimming niya? Did the T-Rex try to eat people? Huh?
Eating people. Look.